Okay, good evening again to Miss Faiza. Yes, I'm Chua Ying from Group 136, and this is week 5 of my individual video for legs. And yeah, so happened I'm wearing the same clothing like last week. I didn't realize it, but then yeah, so it's not that I do not have enough clothes. Okay, yeah, so back to the main point. Today is week 5 and we had our week 5 discussion. We have to come up with another comic strip. Yeah, but thanks to my group members, they are all very cooperative. They came up with good ideas. Yeah, and also it's still related to our past first 2 comic strip, and I find that it's actually quite interesting because somehow all our ideas are connected. Yeah. So thanks to Recall, not because of Recall, his sudden saying about stress, then I didn't manage to get the idea of stress. And yeah, it was actually in week 4, and when it comes to this week, yeah, we actually chose to proceed with the stress element in our comic. Because yeah, basically I think I actually it's really emotional when we talk about stress, probably because we are still students and we are just first year students, and maybe probably we cannot get used to the environment yet, but yeah, that is our problem. What is in the comic strip is actually what we experienced all this time actually before entering university. Actually, what we expect in the examination is also similar to our comic strip. Yeah, what we wanted to deliver. We feel stressed because if what we learned and what we were taught, it did not come out in the exam, is actually quite annoying to us. It's quite frustrating because we couldn't do it. Maybe because we didn't learn it well. Yeah, we didn't study smart. Yeah, I have a lot of thoughts about this one. Yeah, currently I'm trying to overcome this obstacle, this big obstacle. Yeah, this big one. I have to overcome stress. And they actually, it's quite nice because during Lex meeting, not only we discuss about the topic that we have to draw, we actually discuss, and then we actually share what we felt. Like Radia, we didn't know that she is that stressed. Actually, after the discussion, I realized that Radia, as a science student, she's actually very stressful. Mostly it's because of the laboratory assignments. They have to do a lot, and through this meeting, actually I learned that science students, they have to they have to prepare a lot before their labs, and also after their labs they have to do reports some more. So yeah, feel pity for her, but hopefully she can overcome it just like me. Yeah, I faced some problems with studying, but then after I found a place for me to really focus when I study. Yeah, so it's helping me. Yeah, I'm progressing well. Slowly, I think I can adapt with the life in university. So hopefully my group members, they are also like this. Yeah. So Lex, thanks to Lex, it's really fun. And yeah, it's already week 5, so we have 1 week left, which is the final week. The comic strip, I hope, is in the progress of completing. By next week they'll be done, or if they cannot finish it up, yeah, all of us will have to help out and finish up the final one, the very final one, the very memorable ones. So hopefully next week we'll see all our comic strips on our video, the final video. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for giving us the chance to be exposed to this kind of activity, which is video recording. Thank you.